Hi, ReMar family!
My name is Joan and this is
Tanisha.
And we met during the Orlando convention back in April. So we sat next to each other and we learned that we live so close to each other. So the very next day we started to be study buddy.
Oh yeah.
So she would go to my place every day to study. So ever since April.
Yeah.
Except sometimes weekends.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of job. And but last week I did my test. I took my test June 4, and after 48 hours the result came out on June 6, and I passed with 85 questions. We're both doing NCLEX-RN, and right now we just finished the second week of the RNU, and we're still studying. I'm still studying with Tanisha because she's gonna take her test soon. So she's next.
Oh
You're
yeah,
next.
I am.
I have here the quick packs. See here, and the old VT. I think I did about 900 plus in the question bank. I love the videos. I think I did like 3 times. Watch all the videos, and I love the 30-day challenge. Like the days leading to my exam, I'm just watching it while looking at my flashcards. On my mind, I'm answering it until I think I've memorized the 30-day challenge questions. And I also attended Monday motivations every Monday, and then Winning Wednesdays. And I also print out, like this whenever Professor Regina will email stuff. We attended the Nurses Week. I also have this binder. This is last year's RNU. So I attended that too. And what else? The Kahoot games. And I remember I won one of the Kahoot games during the scary topics. Oh, I have the scary topics over here. What else? So a little bit background about myself. I graduated almost 18 years ago. After graduating, I took my board exam in the Philippines, which my country. I passed it at once. After a few years, I went to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, took the board exam and passed it at once. I did my my job there in Riyadh for 3.5 years in the pediatrics. So, and then after that, went back to the Philippines. I worked outside of the field. So I did corporate work. So I've been out. Last practice was 11 years ago. Graduated 18 years ago. So I'm like back at zero. But ReMar really helped a lot because as I was reviewing, it's coming back to me. Everything's coming back to me. And right now, by the way, I did the California Board of Nursing because I'm from there, and then I moved to Florida. I did not change the boards, so I did the California Board of Nursing, and now when I receive my license, I don't know if I'm gonna go back there and work, or I'm gonna endorse the license here in Florida because I'm already looking at hospitals. They have a lot of good hospitals in here, and definitely be going back to pediatrics for sure. So that's it. And you're next.
I am.
And you're soon gonna be a ReMar nurse, an RN, because you can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX. Thank you so much, Professor Regina, Pastor Mark. I'm keeping all the signatures here and the dedication. Thank you so much.
Thank you.